Welcome. Today we are going to look at C.R.E. Paper 1, Part 1, Revision 36. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Questions? Question 1a. Give reasons why the Bible is referred to as a library. 1b. Describe the translation of the Bible from the regional languages to local languages. 1c. State 6 ways in which the Bible is used to spread the gospel. Question 2a. Describe the covenant ceremony between God and Abraham. 2b. Explain 4 characteristics of the covenant demonstrated in the covenant between God and Abraham. 2c. Identify 5 examples of covenant made in Kenya today. Question 3a. Explain the failures of King Saul as the king of Israel. 3b. Describe how Elijah fought against corruption among the people of Israel. 3c. Outline ways in which the church and certain individuals are fighting for social justice. Question 4a. Explain how prophetic messages were written. B. Outline the characteristics of false prophets in the Old Testament. C. Highlight 7 ways in which Christians practice hypocrisy today. Question 5a. Explain different occasions when Nehemiah prayed. B. Outline the problems that Nehemiah encountered in the rebuilding of the wall of Jerusalem. C. What is the importance of prayer in the life of a Christian today? Question 6a. How did the aged in traditional African communities prepare their family members before they die? B. State the traditional African understanding of the spirits. C. What is the responsibility of the living towards the ancestors in the traditional African communities? Answers. Question 1a. Give reasons why the Bible is referred to as a library. 1. It contains many books compiled together, that is 66 books. 2. It was written by different authors. It was written at different times in history. It is divided into categories of books. The books are chronologically arranged. It was written for different readers. Different books were written for different reasons. The authors were influenced by different circumstances in history. Various parts of the Bible were originally written in different languages. The books are written in different styles. 1b. Describe the translation of the Bible from original languages to local languages. Old Testament was originally written in Hebrew language. The New Testament was originally written in Greek. The Old Testament was translated from Hebrew to Greek. The Bible was translated into Latin by Jerome. The Latin translation was called Vulgate. The Bible was translated directly from Hebrew and Greek into English by William Tyndale. The Bible was translated into national languages of European countries during the period of Reformation. The New Testament was translated from English into local Kiswahili by Dr. Kraft. The Bible has been translated into other local languages by the Bible Society of Kenya. C. State 6 ways in which the Bible is used to spread the gospel. It is read to others. It is translated into local languages. Christian songs are formed using Bible messages. The Bible message is preached to other people. It is used in teaching C.R.E in schools. The Bible is distributed to individuals to read. It is used in taking oaths, therefore increasing the faith of those who participate. Christian literature is written using Bible messages. 2a. Describe the covenant ceremony between God and Abraham. Abraham was told by God to bring sacrificial animal, a heifer 3 years old, a she-goat, a ram 3 years old, a turtle dove, and a young pigeon. God told Abraham to cut animals into 2 halves and arrange them opposite each other. Abraham drove away the birds of prey that came onto the carcasses. At sunset, Abraham fell into a deep sleep, and thick darkness came over him. Abraham was given other promises by God. A smoking firepot and a flaming torch appeared and passed between the pieces of meat. 2b. Explain 4 characteristics of the covenant demonstrated in the covenant between God and Abraham. It was unconditional. It had 2 unequal parties. There were promises to be fulfilled. Abraham was given promises by God. It had a seal. It was sealed through the blood of sacrifice. It was voluntary. Abraham entered it willingly. It was binding. It was to be kept even by Abraham's descendants. It was initiated by God. 2c. Identify 5 examples of covenant made in Kenya today. Baptism, marriage, ordination, oath of loyalty to state, trade agreements, peace treaties, employment contracts, agreements signed by students when joining a school, professional oath taken by lawyers and doctors. 3a. Explain the failures of King Saul as the king of Israel. He became impatient and offered sacrifices to God at Gilgal instead of waiting for Prophet Samuel. He obeyed God's command to destroy the Amalekites by sparing the life of King Agag. The Spirit of God left him and was filled with the evil spirit that tormented him. He wanted to kill David because of his popularity among the people of Israel. He lost faith in God and consulted a medium. He committed suicide. He disobeyed the law of harem by sparing the best of animals from the Amalekites for selfish gain. He was deceitful to the servant of God. B. Describe how Elijah fought against corruption among the people of Israel. Naboth, a farmer, had a vineyard next to King Ahab's palace. King Ahab coveted it and asked Naboth to sell it to him, but Naboth declined. King Ahab was disturbed that he could neither eat nor drink. Jezebel planned a corrupt scheme to ensure that Ahab took the vineyard. She forged letters using the king's seal, accusing Naboth of blasphemy and treason. These 2 sins were punishable by stoning to death. She bribed some youth to testify against Naboth before all the people. Naboth was then condemned to death with his entire family, who would have inherited the vineyard. Naboth was stoned to death. Ahab was happy and he took Naboth's vineyard. God sent Elijah to go and pronounce divine judgment on the house of Ahab for what he had done. Elijah went to their palace and declared God's judgment on Ahab and Jezebel. Ahab then put on sackcloth as a sign of repentance, and God postponed his punishment. C. Outline ways in which the church and certain individuals are fighting for social justice in modern society.